Right, welcome back to part 2 of this video. This is all about trying to get the Ferrex Aldi Petrol Lawnmower to restart without 60 goes after it's warmed up. Starting from cold, no problem at all. Part 1, we went through and looked at the carburettor. We took it off, we gave it a clean. There were what I would call blockages in some of the jets, emulsion tube, so we went through all of that. That's all nice and clean and tidy now. So the next thing to do is look at something else on this. Now, I had a little read up online about these engines. I think they're Rat engines. They're Chinese. These lawnmowers originally had Briggs & Stratton, no problem at all obviously. The Chinese engines, they're good, but what I found out was what might be causing our problem. So, without further ado, let's have a look. This will be a hint. A spark plug. No. These engines are fitted with a different make of spark plug, and what I found online is, just take it out, it's loose at the moment. If you've got one of these installed, it might be worth putting a proper NGK spark plug in. Mine has the Torch F5 RTC plug. Not sure the camera's going to show that. And reading online, these plugs are a bit of a nightmare. A lot of people, I think a lot of the stuff I was reading was based on US engines, these Chinese engines, where they're installed into snow blowers, generators and equipment like that, and people do have problems with these spark plugs. They are notoriously bad. What I've read, a lot of people just take them out before they even use the equipment and stick in an NGK or Champion or something like that. So I looked at what the equivalent spark plug for this is, and apparently it's the NGK. I'm going to have a look at it on the side because I can't remember. It is the NGK BPR5ES, and this is just something I've got off eBay. So I think I'm going to leave the spark plug gap as it is. Annoyingly, I was looking for the instructions. I was looking for the instructions for this mower and I can't find them, which is a bit annoying because it would give me the spark plug gap and the exact equivalent spark plug to use. But we've gone for this. This is what I've looked up. So we're going to put this one in and we're going to see if it resolves the starting nightmare. I'm not sure it will, but it's definitely worth having a go. As I say, these have been reported as being not the best spark plugs, Torch. So without further ado, let's get the spark plug in. Unfortunately today it's raining for a change. It normally rains every day and it certainly is. Right, let's get the spark plug in. Where's the hole? There. The other idea I have on this is it's an overhead valve. I'm just wondering on the valve, the clearances. But the thing's kind of silicone sealed, so I'm not going to do anything with that just yet. Let's get the spark plug in. Without cross-threading. Come on, in you go. That's it. Yeah, if we can sort out this starting problem, this mower's going to be perfect. In part 1 I looked at the carburettor and it is a nice carb. It's like one of the old school ones. Not one of these stupid new miniature things. Right, let's tighten that up. I'm going to try and get this out. Start it. Yeah, a bit annoyed at this, that I didn't get the one with the Briggs & Stratton engine. Like, really irritating. Right, that's tight enough. Let's not overdo it. Push that back on and see what we get. I'm going to try and open the garage. Or we might try and get this mower out of the garage. Alright, we're going to have to be fairly quick on this because the weather is not good at all.